This is part 2 of the Learning Gothic Calligraphy the Easy Way tutorial series. The easiest way to learn calligraphy is to watch how it's done, then follow along and practice repetitively. So starting this part 2, I'll be demonstrating the strokes that you can follow along rather than talking about it. I've also included links so you can download 3 PDF files of Gothic alphabets, numbers, and symbols. In order to view the subsequent parts of this tutorial, you may want to take time now to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and bell. So let's get started. Before you start, make sure the flat part of the nib of your calligraphy pen is angled at 40 to 45 degrees as shown. This video shows you all the basic strokes of the Gothic letters. These are all single strokes and there are broadly 5 types. A Gothic letter is a combination of these strokes. Now let's start and you can follow along. By the way, I added this correction. The stroke was erroneously slanted. You should make a point of practicing by repetition. This is an example of a completed practice sheet. There you go. Please view part 1 and part 3 as well. And please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.